Have you ever wondered how your diet impacts your gut health? Are you curious about the connection between veganism and maintaining a healthy gut? Today, we're embarking on an enlightening journey to explore the intersection of veganism and gut health from a holistic perspective. Picture this. What if the foods you eat could influence the diverse ecosystem thriving within your digestive system? Could adopting a vegan lifestyle be the key to cultivating a flourishing gut microbiome? In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating relationship between veganism and gut health, discussing the benefits of plant-based eating for your digestive well-being. From the fiber-rich delights of fruits and vegetables to the probiotic powerhouses of fermented foods, we'll discover how vegan fare can nourish your gut in ways you never imagined. But it's not just about the perks. We'll also navigate potential challenges that arise on a vegan diet, exploring strategies to overcome nutrient deficiencies and manage digestive woes effectively. Join us as we unravel the holistic approach to maintaining gut health while embracing the vibrant world of veganism. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to a thriving gut and a vibrant life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of wellness enthusiasts. Let's get into the fascinating realm of veganism and gut health together. Let us get an understanding. Gut health. Gut health isn't just about digestion. It's a complex ecosystem that influences nearly every aspect of our well-being. Picture your gut as a bustling metropolis, home to trillions of microbes working tirelessly to maintain balance and harmony. This microbiome plays a pivotal role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mood regulation. When the gut microbiome is thriving, we feel energized, vibrant, and resilient. However, imbalances in gut bacteria can lead to a cascade of health issues, from digestive discomfort to systemic inflammation. Understanding the intricacies of gut health empowers us to make informed choices that nourish this vital ecosystem, setting the stage for optimal health and vitality. Benefits of veganism for gut health. Embracing a vegan lifestyle offers a plethora of benefits for gut health, thanks to the abundant array of plant-based foods that nourish our microbiome. 1. Fiber-rich fare. Plant-based diets are naturally rich in fiber, which acts as fuel for beneficial gut bacteria. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, aids in digestion, and helps maintain a healthy gut environment. 2. Promotes diversity. The diverse range of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds found in vegan diets fosters a diverse microbiome. A varied microbiome is associated with better overall health and resilience against disease. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Many plant foods are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation in the gut and throughout the body. This can alleviate digestive discomfort and lower the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Supports beneficial bacteria. Plant-based foods contain prebiotics, compounds that nourish and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, fermented vegan foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and tempeh provide probiotics, further enhancing gut health. 5. Lower risk of gut disorders. Research suggests that vegan diets may lower the risk of gut disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and colorectal cancer. This is attributed to the protective effects of plant-based foods on gut health. Potential challenges on a vegan diet. While veganism offers numerous benefits for gut health, there are some potential challenges to consider. Nutrient deficiencies. Vegan diets may be lacking in certain nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. It's essential for vegans to carefully plan their diets and consider supplementation if necessary to ensure adequate nutrient intake. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort when transitioning to a vegan diet, especially if they increase their intake of fiber-rich foods suddenly. Gradually increasing fiber intake and staying hydrated can help alleviate these issues. Processed foods. Vegan diets can sometimes rely heavily on processed foods like vegan meats, cheeses, and desserts, which may be high in added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. Opting for whole, minimally processed plant foods is key to maintaining gut health on a vegan diet. Holistic strategies for maintaining gut health. Maintaining gut health on a vegan diet goes beyond food choices. It encompasses holistic lifestyle practices that support overall well-being. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, chewing food thoroughly, and savoring each bite. This promotes better digestion and nutrient absorption. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut health by altering gut microbiota composition. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, as it has been shown to positively influence gut microbiota diversity and function. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises for optimal health. Sleep quality. Prioritize quality sleep, as inadequate sleep can disrupt gut microbiota balance and contribute to digestive issues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night by establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider experienced in plant-based nutrition to ensure you're meeting your nutrient needs on a vegan diet. They can provide personalized recommendations and address any concerns you may have about gut health. The relationship between veganism and gut health is multifaceted, offering both benefits and potential challenges. While a plant-based diet can provide ample fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds to support gut health, it's essential to address nutrient deficiencies and digestive issues that may arise. By embracing holistic lifestyle practices such as mindful eating, stress management, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, individuals can foster a balanced gut microbiome and promote overall well-being. Remember to prioritize whole, minimally processed plant foods, incorporate probiotic and prebiotic-rich foods, and seek professional guidance when needed. With mindful attention to both dietary and lifestyle factors, you can harness the power of veganism to cultivate a thriving gut and enjoy optimal health for years to come. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our community of like-minded individuals on a journey to vibrant health and vitality. Here's to thriving on a plant-based diet and flourishing gut health.